Hello viewers, today I received Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. Today I am going to unbox this Axis Bank credit card. We'll see what is there inside.
Inside we have primary card number, add-on number and credit limits and etc like joining fees, annual fees, and they given an option for resetting our PIN code of Flipkart Axis Bank credit card using internet banking, and you can go to nearest ATM center and you can call to customer care, and you can install the Axis mobile application on your mobile to change the PIN code. For the first year they are not going to charge any joining fees or annual fees, but make sure if you are not showing transaction above 2 lakh, then they are going to charge 500 rupees on second year onwards. And coming to shopping, you will get a 15% cashback on first transaction on Myntra. And if you are a travel lover, and you will get a 500 rupees instant discount on booking through Make My Trip or Go Ibibo, but minimum transaction should be 2000 rupees. Entertainment and lifestyle, you'll get a 20% off on Urban Claps, 6-month complimentary trial for Ghana customer. And unlimited cashback, no upper limit. You'll get a 5% cashback on Flipkart and Myntra, 4% on preferred partners, 1.5% on all other spends. Preferred partners are CureFit, Ghana, Go Ibibo, Make My Trip, PVR, Uber, Uber Eats, Urban Clap. And you will get a extra savings on EMI transaction on Flipkart, 4 complimentary luggage visit, fuel charges waived at 1%, up to 20% off at 4,000 restaurants. Is that good? Yes.
Anyhow, thanks for watching this video. If you like, please share, like and subscribe.